Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. If you're a return subscriber, thanks so much for coming back and watch my video. I appreciate you a bunch. So today's video is gonna be an unboxing video, the worst unboxing video ever. Why I'm saying that? Because I had like 2 boxes there that I was going to use for my video, and yesterday was Saturday and my cleaning girl come and she just take everything out of the box and throw the box away. Oh, even the product itself, she just took out of the box and throw away the little box that they come in. And you know, I'm a little pissed, but you know, whatever. So the first thing let me tell you guys what I'm going to share with you on this video. So one of the things I'm going to share with you guys is going to be the July box of charm. And I'm going to tell you guys, if any one of you already received your BoxyCharm for July, I don't know if you agree with me or not, but I'm not impressed. But we'll get back to that. So the box of charm of July, and then I have a hair kit here from this guy, Christopher Robin. It's very interesting. I'm going to show you guys a little bit about the kit. It's a 3-step hair care that's different than we are used to. Okay, so and then one of the things also I'm going to be reviewing this eye cream from Saturday Skin. That's super cute. I so love the eye cream. It's really good. It's like a gel and it feels amazing on the skin, but I really love the packaging. Look how cute it is. So cute. Yes. And the third thing I'm going to be revealing for you guys, it's going to be, I have half of the box here. Should show another piece out. It's going to be these Instant Naturals. Instant Natural, they are a skincare company. I think they are new if I'm not mistaken, but they are made in the US. They are based out of Florida. And they make fabulous skincare product, and I love the prices. If you go to the Instant Naturals website, the price for this stuff, it's really good, and all the ingredients on this. So on this set I have a face mist. This is a age-defying skin clearing toner with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, whatever, and something else. So this is really good. So after you apply your serum, apply your moisturizer, you just go and set everything with this mist, and this just help your skin suck everything in, and you have all the good benefit of this good stuff in here. And I have the serum from the trio. This one also is an age-defying skin clearing serum with vitamin C, retinol, niacin, tree oil. It's amazing. I've been using this. I have another one that's a vitamin C serum, also from Instant Natural, that is fabulous. They do amazing product. Just I love. And if you have like a blemish or dark spot on your skin, they have a line with vitamin C. I have some stuff here. I might show you guys too. I have a facial cleanser, a serum, and a moisturizer that's great for this stuff, like, you know, clear blemish and dark spot on your skin, and they even out skin tone. I need that. I have a big problem with black spots on my skin. All right, so let's start them. Let's start with the box of charm from July. Okay. So I really loved the box of charm from June. The Alamar palette was so beautiful, and I love the colors. I'm loving it into this day. So today's in July box of charm, they sent us this palette from Crown. I don't know if you guys know Crown makeup, and this is the Crown Pro. Crown is also the company that I heard a lot of people say that they make the makeup for Morphe. They make the brushes and the eyeshadow. So if you buy from Crown, you get from a better price. Okay, because when you buy from Morphe, the price is jack up, so you're paying more for the brand. Instead, buy from Crown and get the product for less, and it's the same product. The quality is good. So this is what the palette look like. I was not so happy because 2 of my eyeshadow come broke, and I had to, like, you know, clean up everything, the mess, and you know, fix them in. you guys can see, but the colors are very pretty. Even though, like, I'm wearing today, I'm wearing this one here, and this one here is a transition shade here, and I have so many brown shades. You know how much more brown I need. You know, I would like to see, you know, the, you know, lighter colors. If you guys see at the bottom here, it's almost all brown. So I was not impressed with the palette. Even if it's good, the eyeshadow quality is good, even though one of my pen fell out, just so yeah, it's okay, the palette, but I'm not impressed like I was with the one last month. And also in this box they sent us this blush from Note. I don't even know who Note Skin makeup is. Maybe you guys know. I don't know, I just never heard of them. So this is what the blush look like. It's a pretty color, okay, but when you put on the skin, it was chalky, you know. I was trying to blend it. It feels like, you know, if you have a chalk this color, that's how it felt on the skin. So I was not in love with the blush, but you know, the color is pretty and come with a little thing here, so it's okay, but I was not impressed. I don't know the brand, and this is the first time trying something from them, and I really not fan of the blush. So this was number 2 that I'm not impressed about. Now, one thing that I really loved, and I had to get a new one because the one that I had was running out, was this Cella makeup. This is the tantalizing taupe brown cream. I really like that. I even tried Cella stuff before, like a brown, and this one's really cute. It comes with a little, you know, brown angle brush. So you just unscrew here, and on the bottom you have the little container with your brown gel. So you just screw that together and put it back in place. So these, I really like it. Thumbs up, Cella. I love this. So that's the third thing on the BoxyCharm of July. The fourth thing is this Wonder Beauty mascara. This is the first time that I'm trying something for Wonder Beauty too, and I liked it. I really love how the mascara looks on the lashes. No clumsy at all. I like the wand, how, you know, the good shape it have, and smells good too. No smell horrible like some stuff. So yeah, thumbs up for Wonder Beauty mascara. Wonder Beauty mascara. And this is the last thing on the BoxyCharm of July. Is this Pharmacy is a brand, I think, and Brightening. That's a massage activate vitamin C mask with enriched greeny, whatever is this. So this, I used this morning because I want to know how to feel on the skin, so I tried for you guys. So this one, it's you know, it was one time that I used, so I can't tell you this. I saw a big difference, but I'm gonna finish using it and tell you guys later how I felt about it. But yeah, it was okay. And that's it for the BoxyCharm of July. And you know, the only thing that I really was excited about it was the Cella brow, and I like the mascara too. This mask, man, you know, I don't care for. And the blush I didn't like, was chalky. And the palette, like I say, it's a beautiful palette, but it's a lot of browns. It's lacking more different colors. How many browns can you have? I probably have like you know, God knows how many brown shades like that. So next thing, let's go to the Saturday skincare. So this Saturday skincare, it's a really good. This is a Wide Awake Brightening eye cream, and it's very light. You know, some creams can be like, you know, greasy, oily. This one I have here, you guys put on, is very light, almost like a gel, and when you put on, it's really sink in, and you actually can see, you know, your eyes look refreshed. So I'm very excited to keep trying this. Thank you Saturday Skin for sending me complimentary for testing purpose. Love you guys. So now let's go to the hair set that I told you guys. When I saw this online on Oakley, I was a little bit, you know, excited to try. So it's 3-step, okay? So here's the step number 1 is this Christopher Robin pre-shampoo hair oil with lavender intense treatment. So this is like a like you put this on your hair. You can put it like 5 minutes before, wash your hair and just leave it on, go do something and just leave. You can put it a day before and just sleep with it. You know, it looks like a cream here, but what they say is for you warm it up the bottle, so the product that's creamy actually be more oily. So yeah, so it's like a cream, but if you warm it up, so turn oily. So you just massage all over your hair and just let it sit. You know, it's supposed to moisturize and make your hair soft and good smelling, shining. I tried once and I'll try one more time to see how it really works. And the second thing is this cleansing mask with lemon ultra nourish low shampoo. This is a shampoo, right? It look like a hair mask, but actually is a shampoo. So that's what it look like. It's look like a cream and it smells really good. So you just, after you put that on for, you know, 10-20 minutes, whatever, you go under the water, rinse that off as much as you can, and then you just wash yourself with this shampoo. It's a cleansing mask, they say. It's actually, you know, pretty interesting, you know, going away with the from the harsh shampoo that we normally have. And from the set, this is the third step, is a leave-in cream, daily hair cream with sandalwood moisturized care, anti-split and anti-breakage. Thank you, I need this because I do highlights on my hair, it's really damaged sometimes. So this is really good, I'm really enjoying using this. So that's it for this Christopher Robin shampoo kit. Thank you. And now the best for last is this like an instant natural. I told you guys about this aging define facial toner. So I like to use this toner. I like to use like as a makeup setting, or after I apply my serum and then my night cream or my daily moisturizer, just go and spray all over and set all the skincare product with this spray. It's fabulous. And also for Instant Natural, I got this Age Define Skin Clearance Serum that I told you guys is good for the black little spot. And if you go to the website, this product, it's really good for a very good affordable price. So, and here I have the moisturizer, daily moisturizer, also Age Define Skin Clearing Moisturized Shampoo with vitamin C, salicylic acid. It's really good. So I will link the link below for Instant Naturals for you guys. They're really good. I hope you guys enjoy this stuff. And I'm also gonna link the link for Christopher Robin, and the link for BoxyCharm, and the link for the Saturday Care Cream. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you enjoy, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and join the family. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.